What's up, Amazon KDP sellers? Ike Paz here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a crossword puzzle book within a particular niche to sell as a book on sites like Amazon KDP. Watch this whole video until the end and learn how you can do the same thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is make sure there's actual keyword research behind it. So this is free for anyone and just access to this at any time you want. You have these 4 modules here, 100% for free for anybody who signs up. Anyways,
100% free keyword tool. That there is game changer. Thanks.
you want to click on this module right here. This will take you to Tool Shelf. Here you have more free tools. One of them is a KDP Keyword Finder. And I put in here Civil War Crossword Book. You always want to make sure whatever you create, if it's a book for little kids, an activity book, if it's a puzzle book, if it's an educational book, nonfiction, fiction, whatever the case is, you want to make sure people are searching for whatever the book contains, right? So here we have not just a crossword book, a Civil War crossword book, and it has a good amount of people looking for this, which is really exciting. And we want to get into this niche, and I want to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so next thing you want to do is go to the BOSPA section, scroll down to what's called Monaco royalty apps. This is not free. This is a paid tool, but it's only a one-time tool, one-time payment tool, and there is no recurring, no APIs, nothing to add. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create this just with Monaco royalties, with no AI injection, no Elite Kai, just Monaco royalty. Okay, so we have 6 different puzzle apps inside of Monaco royalty apps. 6 different types of puzzles you can create, including the bonuses, but we'll talk. Actually, I'll have a link to it down below. You can see it for yourself. Anyways, we're interested in the crossword generator. We're going to open that up. And as you can see here in the crossword generator, actually my video is way too big. I'm going to make that small. Okay. Anyways, with the crossword generator, you can do it page by page or go with bulk. We're gonna go bulk. We're gonna go in deep with bulk. We want to create a book in one go. Really important. Okay. So first thing you want to do is check out the pattern here. Okay. So we have hashtag title, then we have answer, pipe, and then hint. Right. That's how it works. I fed this to the Chat GPT for free. So let me tell you what I put in. I need a list of answers and hints for my crosswords Civil War book. Here's a pattern, hashtag is a title, then the problems pattern is answer, pipe, hint. I want 7 problems per page. Give me a book of 40 pages. I should have said pages. Anyways, I went ahead. I'm, again, using this free version, and it gave me all of this. Okay, I'm going to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll the way down, and copy all that. Copy all that. I'm going to open up a notepad. Okay, open up a notepad. Create a notepad like that. Drop in all of this. Very simple. Save as, I don't know, Civil War. Like that. Save that. Go back to the crossword app tool. Make sure we're on bulk. Make sure we're on bulk, okay? And we're going to keep it at 8.5 by 8.5 by 11. That's your standard activity book. Now, again, if you're an AI user, there's a whole different way to create this, much easier. But just assuming you have just Monaco royalty, I'm going to show you how to do it. Just click choose file, get Civil War text, and that's it. You're done. It's basically done. I'm going to create the copyright page and everything. So I'm going to generate all 42. Okay, it's going to create a book of 42. It's going to take a little bit of time. I'm going to, stay with you here. I'm not going to pause anything because it doesn't take that much time, just a couple of seconds. We're at 38 pages now. Sorry, 34, 42 pages plus the solutions. Boom. Okay, we're done. We have our book. Okay. So let's delete this first page because it's nothing to do with us. Now, we're going to call, also, we need a page number, right? Let's go to page number. Yes, display page number. We're fine with that. Cool. Okay, actually, let's keep it centered. Okay, very cool. And we want a copyright page too. And the copyright page, we're gonna name this Civil War Crosswords book, like that. It's going to create a crossword book. Of course, the solutions are on the back of the page. You don't have to worry about that. So it's creating our copyright text now so that it protects our book because it's our book. It's, when you post something online, you want to protect it. And there we go. We have the copyright page and we have the crossword. Now here you see all the solutions are inside, right? It's only a preview. But when you download it, let me show you. When you download it, single PDF, when you download it, the solutions are in the back, right? Which is cool. So you don't have to worry about anything. This is a book. The book is done. Okay, it's as simple as that. Let me show you what this looks like. Okay, we got our copyright page and see all the empty crossword grids. By the way, that's all customizable, and we have the solutions in the back, just like that. But we're not done. The most important part I've saved until the last, and that's the book cover. Book cover is super important. Why? Because with the book cover, we can get those clicks, and those clicks turn into sales, as you already know. Anyways, let's make that now. Okay, so to create our book cover, very simple. You want to scroll back up, and you want to go to this red module, the book cover generator. Click on that. And again, I'm not using any of the AI capabilities, which there are plenty of, but I'm just going to use straight up the Manaka royalties, which also comes with the book cover studio, right? The basic version, right? So what we're going to do here, again, our cover size is 8.5 by 11. Let's get that straightened out here. And our page count, let's check out page count. Where is the page count? There we go. We got a page count of 85. Okay, 85 is our page count. I'm going to get back in here and put in 85. It's really important you get that number in, right? We'll keep it at white paper. I'm not using any of the AI functions. Okay, we can, of course, change the background. So let's change it. Let's change it to grayish for now. Okay, I might change that later. We'll see. Okay. I'm going to put in some titles in now. So I'm going to go to text section right here. And I'm going to put in American Civil War, like that. And I'm going to click. Did I spell that right? Sorry, I need an L. Civil War. And I'm going to click on, actually, I'm going to check out the different types of font here. I'm going to go with, let me see what's good font. Something easy to read. Merriweather. Merriweather. I'm going to put the outline as black and the inside is white. Just for now, I can change this up later. Just like that. American Civil War. Now that's a little bit too thin. So I want to make sure that I change that up a bit. So I'm going to come here and increase the size on that and decrease the size of the thickness of the border, like that. Actually, let me go back up to 2. Okay, just like that. Just for now, I just want to see what it looks like. I'm going to add another one. Here's what's inside. Let me put an apostrophe over that S. And let me capitalize on that I and click plus. And I'm going to shrink that down. It's way too big. Okay. And bring it up towards, this is just a rough draft for those things. Now I need some images. Okay. Now for the back part, okay, as you can clearly see, if this is your first time, let me explain. This image right here, what my mouse is going over right now, that's the front part of the book. Whatever is on the title here has to be listed inside Amazon KDP. They must be exactly the same. What's in the back here, that is where you preview what's in your book. Now I want to just quickly do this right now, right? Because there's not much involved in this. Basically what I do, and a lot of other people do, they just add 3 pages from inside of the interior. Okay, so I already got some pages over here. I'm going to go ahead and extract. I got this from the Monica royalty. I'm going to extract all. Yes, extract all. So now I have a healthy pool of images to pull from. And now I'm going to get in here. I'm going to add image. So check this out. Upload image right here. Upload image there. And I'm going to pick just this one right here for now. Just like that. I'm going to shrink that up. Decrease in size like that. Like that. Upload another one. Let me do this one here. Just like that. And make sure it matches up with the other one we just added. Like that. Just, everything's drag and drop. Everything's very simple. Now, of course, if you have the AI, it's much easier. This is easy too. Don't misunderstand. Okay, like that. Actually, I'll just have 2 pages here because another one wouldn't fit down here, which I don't recommend. And at the bottom right here of the back, there's always a barcode, so there's no point of putting anything down here. Okay, now we need images for this, right? Actually, let me add one more. Title here. Cross words book. Put that here. Increase the size. Let me shrink that down. Okay, good. Like that. Now I'm not decided on the color, but let's go and get some images. Now, back in the day before AI, I used to go to Pixabay a lot, okay? And it's still a good place to go. So we got American Civil War. I want to go to all images. I want to check off illustrations, okay? Okay, so let's go with, just for example's sake, let's go with Frederick Douglass. No, let's go with this gentleman right here. Civil War. This is definitely Civil War. Confederate, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comment section. Let me download. So download that. Come back to our book cover right here. Go to upload image. And there we go. Let's shrink them down a bit so that it makes sense. This is kind of big, this font here. Let's break it down to like that. Make it short like that. And this is our book cover, right? Let me remove myself from the images. Here we go. That's our book cover. Now it's very simple, very basic. We can change the spine. Let's make it gray as well. Dark gray. Okay. And we got our book cover. Right there, we can change the color of anything here. We'll make it red. I do not recommend that. We'll keep it gray. Once you're done, you come down here and you can download as a PNG or a PDF. Let's go with PDF. And voila, we got our book cover, okay? That's how you do it. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube or if on Facebook. Let me know what you think. Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day. Ciao.